For this tutorial, you will need the Unity Game Engine application, the Qualisys SDK for Unity package, and Qualisys Track Manager installed on your device. Open a scene in Unity. Ensure that the real-time server in QTM is streaming data from a calibrated skeleton. If you are creating a project from scratch, you will have to import the Qualisys SDK for Unity package, which contains all the necessary assets and example files to use in the scene. Connect Unity to QTM by navigating to Window, Qualisys, RT Client. A QTM streaming window will appear. In the project panel, go to Qualisys, Demo Assets, Models, Q Avatar. Drag the Q Avatar into the scene. With Q Avatar selected in the scene, refer to the properties in the Inspector window. If the RT skeleton component is not in your view, click Add Component, search RT skeleton, and add it to the panel. Verify that the skeleton name driving the character matches the one that is streaming from QTM. Set the destination avatar as the Q avatar in the scene, and play the scene in Unity. In the QTM streaming window, click Connect. The skeleton will drive the character in the scene.